Hi everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to book a class using the GymCatch app. So let's start by opening the app and logging in. Now at this stage, if you have not registered for an account, press the register button on the first screen and you can sign up with your email. Once you are registered, enter in your details and password from registration and click login. Now you are logged in, go to the search bar at the top and enter in Fitness with Matt. The icon of my face should appear. Click on it. Here you will see all your options. Today I want to focus on the calendar, so click Calendar. You will then see a calendar with all my classes. Click at the top to change month. To book a class, select the day and then the class you wish to book. Then the class details will open and you have the option to book. Click Book to book onto the class. You will then be taken to the payment options. Now I have a class pass, so I can use that to pay for the class. If you do not have a class pass, you will simply put in your card details to book the class. Once you have done this, GymCatch will take you back to the class and it will give you the links to access the virtual class on Zoom. It will also email the details to you. One pro tip, on the fitness provider page, when you've typed in Fitness with Matt, click on Follow to make sure my classes always show in your app. Any problems, do not hesitate to get in touch.